And where is this child? Here. I'm going to bring my guest on. Just these celebrities and everyone, all the celebrities, they always go up on stage looking nice and behind the hair and makeup and all. But our hair and makeup hindare, yaro, who's done all the magic? Please let's welcome Avani. Avani, you have changed drastically since I last saw you. What happened? Quarantine is doing you good? You're looking beautiful.
Quarantine is not being so great, but yeah, it's going on.
So, ಇವಾಗೆ ಅವನಿ ಕನ್ನಡನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಸೊ ನಾನು ಬಾಯಿ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಆದಮ್ ಅವರೇ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ. ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮಗೂ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇವಾಗ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
And ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಮಾ, because ಕಿವಿ.
Okay, let me put on my earphones.
So Avani has already told us how to she has prepped her face and kept adu prep artha eno you don't know. Well, we can ask Avani. Gaurav keeps saying hi Gaurav. I know Avani must be getting a call right now, so just chill on that, she'll come back. Okay guys, if you all have any questions for makeup, today she's going to be doing her eyes and her eyebrows. Thankfully yakandre nanke beko, see my eyebrows, how bad they've become. I need to get to know how to do my eyebrows. So Avani is going to teach us all about that. Amir Salpa Kelly, what are you going to teach us and how are you going to do it?
Okay, so ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ eyebrows ಹೇಗೆ fill ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. And since a lot of you have been asking that ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಹೇಗೆ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಐ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So I will be teaching you simple eye makeup. You do not have to have a lot of products in doing eye makeup. This is something very simple and easy that you can do in just 2 minutes. In meanwhile, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ questions ಇದ್ರೆ questions throw up ಮಾಡಿ, I will be able to answer them.
Awesome. Okay, cool.
Yeah?
Let's start.
Okay, let's start by doing my eyebrows. Since I've already done my skin, I've done my blush, I've done my lip color, and yeah, so far it's good. Let me complete it with the eyebrows.
Okay.
So to start with, namage sumar products you will have, like eyebrow pencil sigute, eyebrow powder sigute, but today I will be using an eyeshadow.
Let me bring my makeup also.
Okay.
I keep everything in a Kazo bag, so let me do it with you. So I've got my palettes. My palettes are there. Okay, my two palettes and oh sorry, that's a cigarette packet. Okay, you know the blush, and this is another eyeshadow palette. And okay, so this is what I've done. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. Idu nan maridu. So
I can see it. Yes,
you can see it.
I can see it. Your left eyebrow is darker than your right eyebrow.
Yeah. Thanks so much for Nanbana Mariadi Tagiake idinalli. So
okay, so let's get started. Here ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕಲರ್ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ, ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, it is expensive and all. So this is the affordable and the cheapest eyeshadow that I have. So I have this eyeshadow palette from MAC, but you can get it from anywhere. You can have these two colors handy, that is the brown and the black color. So just mixing the black and the brown, I will be filling my eyebrows.
Kannada.
Yeah? Eyeshadow.
Kannada.
You can use your eyeshadow to fill your brows.
Kannada nalli matadi.
Okay, ನೀವು ಬರೀ 2 ಕಲರ್ ಇಂದ ನೀವು ಐಬ್ರೋಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನನಗೆ ಅದಮ್ಮ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ರೂಢಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ. My apologies. Okay, so ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಈ 2 ಕಲರ್ ನ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾ ಐಬ್ರೋಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿ. ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್?
Brown. It has to be a chocolate brown. Again, very close to black. Not ತುಂಬಾ ಲೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು.
Okay.
Brown ಮತ್ತೆ black. Brown black ಈ 2 ಕಲರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಈ 2 ಕಲರ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಷ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ತರ ಕಾಣಬೇಕು ಬ್ರಷ್, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬ್ರಷ್.
ಬ್ರಷ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ನಾನು ಇದು ಬೆರಳು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಬೆರಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅದಮ್ಮವ್ರೆ. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟೆಡ್ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಇದಿದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಕಾಜಲ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋನ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯೋರ್ ಬ್ರೌಸ್. ನೀವು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕಾಜಲ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದೇವ ತರ ಕಾಣ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್. ಯೂಸ್ ಡಾರ್ಕೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್.
ನಾನ್ ಮಸ್ಕಾರಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು.
ಮಸ್ಕಾರಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಐಬ್ರೋಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಆರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ಎದ್ದು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ ಮಕ್ಕದ ಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಕಲರ್.
I just brushed it and ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ yeah. What to do?
Yeah, you can use a mascara wand. When mascara ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆ ವಾಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ವಾಂಡ್ ನ ಸಿಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬ್ರೌಸ್ ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ದ ವಾಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್.
Cut it. I can use like
yes, I can. ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದಿದೆ, ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
Oh God, this is the most difficult part.
ಇದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಸೊ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಸಿ ಟು ಬ್ರಷ್ ಯೋರ್ ಬ್ರೌಸ್.
So okay, somebody is going on saying Gaurav.Goldie. You recognize me, Avani? Yeah, she recognized you. Okay, next.
Okay, so what all I'm doing is just brush my eyebrows again straight towards up. Don't bring it like this. Just brush it towards up, because we don't want our eyebrows. I mean, I normally don't like taking my eyebrows all the way till down. I kind of just like keeping it more straight like this towards my ears.
Kannada.
Okay, so idana brush ಮಾಡಿ. Let us do it in eyebrows ಮಾಡೋಣ. So after brushing, it's ready. Then ಈಗ ಎರಡು ಕಲರ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So mix brown and black. And then just follow the steps. Start from the ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಔಟರ್ ಆರ್ಚ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ರೌಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ರೌಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಐಬ್ರೋ ಶೇಪ್ ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ. ರೌಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ. ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆರ್ಚ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಆರ್ಚ್ ಆಗಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Then it's like drawing small tiny hair in between the gaps. ನಮಗೆ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಗಳಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ.
Dr. Mahindra Gowda, what Kannada? Kannada is a language, Mahindra. Nam channel lo ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ is now you're gonna get kicked out. Okay, now this bugger is gonna get kicked out. You don't come onto my channel and talk to me as what clothes do I wear. Check your face and check your clothes, you idiot. Out there. Now.
Okay.
No, this is I'll give it back.
Okay, cool. ಸೊ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್. Okay. Do you see the difference between both the eyebrows? This looks really young and nice.
Yeah. And mine, yeah.
You can see the difference?
Yes.
Okay, let us do the same, and it hardly takes any time. Again, doing ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ outer corner ನ fill ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ, arch ನ ನಿಮಗೆ round ಇದ್ರೆ round, just follow the shape that you have. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆರ್ಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟು ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಕೆಲವರು ತುಂಬಾ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ ಐಬ್ರೋಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಮ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಐಬ್ರೋಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಐಬ್ರೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ವೆಲ್ ಡನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮಚ್, ನಿಮ್ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಐ ಶಾಡೋ ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರಿಟಿ. And honestly, I do my eyebrows. ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ವಾರಂಟೈನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಪಾರ್ಲರ್ಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹೇಗ್ ನಿಮ್ ಐಬ್ರೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ನನ್ನ ಐಬ್ರೋಸ್ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಂತವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I use thread, I make a loop, and maybe some other day I can show it to you. Or plucker use ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು I do my eyebrows. Normally I don't, ನಾನು ಸಲೂನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಶೇಪ್ ಕೆಡ್ಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನೇ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ 2-3 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, ಪಾರ್ಲರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಐಬ್ರೋಸ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೋಬಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಮೈ ಐಬ್ರೋಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಯಾರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸಲೂನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟು ನೋವು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಅಬ್ಬಾ ಒನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವುಮನ್ ಅವರು ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್.
No pain, no gain. That is how we girls take the pain to look pretty, you know.
Hand and hit her like that. I wanted to do this. She came in the way. Thappa hit her. So adike I just do this and ashte illandre I do this. There, done. Adu nan me
ಮುಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ನಿಮ್ ಕೂದಲಿಂದ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. Very nice way to hide your eyebrows.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can see the difference. Ivaga after the eyebrows, you can see how the face looks. So after this, ನಿಮಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನೋ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ you're just looking nice. Wear a nice lip color. ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ನ್ಯೂಡ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ನ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿರೋ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can use any burgundy colors. These are the colors Indian skin tone ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿರೋ colors are red, burgundy, plum colors and magenta colors. These are the colors normally ನಮಗೆ Indians ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗೋದು. But I am more towards the subtle colors.
Stopping you there. Shrishti wants to ask you, which lipstick shade are you using?
So I have the two colors. I have mixed two colors. I'm somebody who always like experimenting colors, and then ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ experiment ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 2 colors ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ from MAC. One ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು burnt spice and the other one is topped with brandy.
Oh wow. Okay. And also
I don't know if you can see it.
My question to you is, usually maroon colored shades and certain shades are red do, kempudu, maroon do, certain shades ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುದ್ಕಿಕೆ. It's for older women, right? So for younger people, what shades do you suggest for warmer complexions and for the fairer skin people?
It's not like ನೀವು ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್, ಮರೂನ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಯವರೇ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಆ ಥರ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Red is a retro color. It is an evergreen color, red. And a maroon color can go with any age generation. There is no back and forth rule. You can do it. It's just the way you carry it. So ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮಂದಿರ ಅವ್ರು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ದೊಡ್ಡ ರೆಡ್ ಬಿಂದಿ ಹಾಕೋತಾರೆ, ರೆಡ್ ಲಿಪ್ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಹಾಕೋತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ನಾವು ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟು ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಮೋಕಿ ಐಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರೆಡ್ ಲಿಪ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ಲುಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಗೋಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆಪ್ಟ್ to use such kind of colors like red and maroon, now I would suggest not to do too much with your eyes. All you can do is eyebrows na channagi fill ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಏನು ಹಾಕೋಬೇಡಿ. Just add mascara and nice mascara, a lot of mascara. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ mascara use ಮಾಡಿ and you use a red or a maroon lipstick and it's going to look wow.
ನೀವು ಐಬ್ರೋಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಟ್ವೀಸರ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಸಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್. ಟ್ವೀಸರ್ ಇಂದ ನನಗೆ ಶೇಪ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay, so somebody is Genoya Tony is saying oh, she's my friend's wife. Can you show the loop for the eyebrows? A lot of people, the loop, the thread loop.
Okay. So ivaga, as I said, nan products ella I have left in Abu Dhabi. I have not bought my products. So now how I have been managing is simple. Now batte holitivalla, batte holiya dagadalli I am doing my eyebrows. Let me show it to you.
You show ma how to do this, then even I can do. Then my forest over here will go away.
There.
Okay.
With this I do my eyebrows.
Okay.
So what I do is just hold the loop. Just make a loop. Like this. Yeah. Just tie the end of the loop together. Hold on. Yeah, can you see that? Here? Yeah. And I'm tying it here now. It doesn't have to be ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಉದ್ದ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದ್ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉದ್ದ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 2 ಲೂಪ್ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಆಲ್ ಐ ಡೂ ಇಸ್ ಒಂದ್ ಕೈನ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ತಿರ್ಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ಓಕೆ, ಲೂಪ್ ಸಿಕ್ತಾ? ಈಸಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿ. ನೀವ್ 2-3 ಸತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನ್ ಹೇಗ್ ಕಲ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ,
ನಾನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಡನ್ಸೋ ಕಲ್ಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ ಮನೆಗೆ. ನೀವು 3-4 ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕಲ್ಸಿ. ಅದು ಮೇಲೆ ಪೇನ್. ಇವಾಗ ತೋರ್ಸು.
ಬೇರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಸಲೂನ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನೀವೇ ಹೆದರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, ಶೇಪ್ ಕೆಡ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ, ಮದ್ವೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಶೇಪ್ ಕೆಡ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಭಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ ಶೇಪ್ ನಿಮ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈಸಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಓಕೆ, ನಾ ಹೌ ಡು ಯೂಸ್ ದಟ್?
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕೂದಲು ತೆಗ್ದಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಚಿಕ್ಕದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಹೀಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೀಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಐಬ್ರೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ, ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್, ಬ್ರದರ್, ಅಮ್ಮ, ಅಪ್ಪ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕೂದಲನ್ನ ತೆಗಿಯಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆನೆ ನೀವು ಐಬ್ರೋಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಲ್ಯಾಶಸ್ ತೆಗ್ದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ.
ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ನಗಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? Okay. What? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, man. Twinkle.
Yeah. You have to play with your eyebrow. That's how I do it, and it works for me. And you can see, it's in quarantine. In quarantine, I don't have even single extra hair because I always remove it.
You're a painful woman. Painful. Very painful.
I learned this from my mom.
Oh, okay. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪೇನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪೇನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ಐಬ್ರೋಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಕೂದಲು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ತಗ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದೇ ಸತಿ ಎಳ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಚರ್ಮ ಕೂಡ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Okay, next. Okay, eyebrows ಆಯ್ತು. When we brush it.
Eyebrows are done. ಆಯ್ತು. ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಐಬ್ರೋಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ?
No, ma.
Done? ಅದು make doubt ಇದೆಯಾ?
No. Yeah, I want.
Okay, next simple.
Maybe get me water.
What do you want?
Water.
ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಮ್ಮ?
Get me. Otherwise I'll have to.
Eyebrows ಕಿತ್ತದ್ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದಾಹ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
You want to do your eyebrows? Hey. See that?
Hey.
Anthony, she's saying hi. See, this is what I have to put.
You've got a good company in quarantine.
You heard? You got a good company. He keeps saying that. She said that you have a good company. You will get small razors by Tinkle, especially for doing eyebrows. It's easy and not even. Well, Yali Ranji Mysore says you get special. What's that? Razors.
Yes, I do have the razor also. ಆ razor ನ ಯೂಸ್ sometimes ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಶೇಪ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು tweezers or razors ತಗೊಂಡು ನಿಮಗೆ ಶೇಪ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. I have it. I can show it to you guys.
Okay, Johanna_Tony. No, you're not my friend's wife. So no, I never meant you. Somebody else came and your name came up, so you'll both ask the same question. Yeah. So that is why I said. Which one?
So this is the tweezer. So you pluck one by one. Again, shape ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ನೀವು ಶೇಪ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೂ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೇನ್ಫುಲ್. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ತಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ನೋವು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೇಸರ್ that somebody mentioned.
Microblading they go on saying.
Microblading. All that doesn't work. Honestly, I've used tumba products use my bittivini. It doesn't really work. After some time, when you get it, when you bring it new, you're obsessed with it. You try and use it, but then the effect that you're actually looking for, you don't get it. So I have this. So normally, what I do is I use this to remove my facial hair because the makeup should look flawless. I use like if you have a little bit of facial hair, so ನಾನು ಬ್ಲೀಚ್ ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ ಹೇರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಬೇಬಿ ಹೇರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, just take the razor and shave it. You don't have to use shaving cream and all of that. Just this.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು
ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಫೇಸಿಗೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಸ್ಕೇರ್ಡ್ by using the wax and all of that. So this is the safest thing that I use.
Oh, and yesterday Avani full public nalli I have to give you an apology. So nenne enaitu, there was a lot of network issues, and actually Avani was supposed to do this yesterday. So I am really sorry, Avani.
No problem.
He was supposed to come on. So David Shamsi, I apologize. It was my mistake, and time went on, and more gante nalli by 3:30 the network starts lagging because jasti jana they suddenly everyone wants to go on live. So Instagram can't handle that. So I'm really sorry. That is one of the reasons I didn't go back. So yeah. So today is
where are today? No problem.
Continue.
Yeah. Okay. So this is what I use. This is what she was talking about. Whatever works for you. The threading works for me, so I use threading. But nimage ಏನು work ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ use ಮಾಡಿ. It's just an option. Tweezer, razor, threading, anything that you like. I like doing threading, so I do threading. Okay. So if you see, I've done my eyebrows. Without eyebrows, you cannot go up doing your eye makeup.
1 second. Komal Krishnamurthy. You pass any stupid comments like that, you'll get booted out of my channel. No makeup, only talking. At least read the comments. Right, now you want to talk? Let's talk. So Komal, firstly, you need to have good eyebrows. Without eyebrows, any woman, nimtara, sumne matadkondo, if you need to have your basics right. Get your eyebrows ready, otherwise you look like a drag queen like me, with bushy eyebrows. Okay? She's trying to help you here, let her talk. Continue now.
No offense, Komal is my friend.
No. I'm sorry, that is my channel.
Okay. So the next thing, ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಐ ಶ್ಯಾಡೋ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಐ ಶ್ಯಾಡೋ ನಮಗೆ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, the simple thing when you're walking out to any party or any function, ನೀವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೀರಾ, ಐ ಶ್ಯಾಡೋ, ಸ್ಮೋಕಿ ಐ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೋರಿಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತು, we want something nice and new, easy, different. You want it to be easy also, you don't want something that's too complicated. You at the same time you want to look different and you want it to look nice. So here I've come up with a different way of doing your eye makeup, like how I do. So all I do is I'll be using this kajal pencil again from MAC. You can use any kajal pencil. I love the one that I use from L'Oreal. The L'Oreal kajal pencils are also good, but yeah, since I have the MAC pencil, I'm using the MAC pencil. All I do is ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಕಾಜಲ್ ಹೇಗ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಕುತ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ನಾ ಹೇಗ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಕುತ್ತೀನಿ. You don't have to ಏನೋ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. Just go back and forth. Start from the outer corner. Outer corner ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Outer corner ಇಂದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. Just start from the outer corner, back and forth, small strokes, and then small strokes. Yeah. Yes, just go back and forth, small strokes, tiny strokes.
Okay.
Yes, just like that. You can take it a little more inside also.
Damn, that looks nice.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಾವು ಕಾಜಲ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಔಟರ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್, ಕಾಜಲ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಮೆತ್ಕೋತೀರಾ ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಟಿಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಬ್ರಷ್, ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಷ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Adam is doing his best.
Oh, sorry. Oh,
Yeah.
brushes I don't have. Sorry, I use my finger.
You can use a Q-tip also. You can use a bud.
Yeah.
Bud ಕೂಡ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೀವು.
No, don't have.
Okay. So all I'll do is outer corner alli, I'll take the brush and I'll just keep blending this. Whatever product I have extra on the lashes that has come down,
Is that a mirror in your hand?
I'll just blend it this way.
Oh.
You see that? Just blend it and set the product there with any eyeshadow or anything.
Okay.
Some people don't like using eyeshadow. They like keeping it just like in the waterline. They don't like bringing it a little down. But when you ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ತಗೋ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. So you've learned this really well now, right? You've been doing this for a long time.
There.
Okay. Then all I'm doing is taking the kajal pencil again, just running it back in the outer corner, but this time it's going to become a little low in between the lashes. Only there. Do you see that? Only I've stopped it there. Next thing again, take the brush.
Okay, that is the blending. Shrishti asked you which kajal you use. Is it MAC? Yes, she only uses MAC. She is a MAC product.
That's where we met, right?
Yeah, MAC. And Avani I went ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ MAC ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು? I was supposed to go for a party. You keep doing your eyes, I'll tell. I was supposed to go for a party and it started raining and my makeup had gone. Now what to do? Elli free makeup elli sikbeku. Now I can't bring makeup from home. I walked into MAC, I found her. I went inside. I want to buy this, I want to buy that. Used off everything and I went off. And then next time I became Avani's friend and Amele I took her because I needed a makeup artist for Bigg Boss. So that is how. I have seen you in MAC Koramangala. Yes, that is the same place where I am also. Same place.
Yes, I was. I'm an ex-MAC artist. I was working there as a store manager. I worked there as an artist, and last year I quit MAC and because I moved to Abu Dhabi, so I had to quit MAC.
So I want next time Avani will be doing one show for us every week, or every week one thing you're going to show us. Avani, you eyes ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀಯ ಅಲ್ವಾ? You're going to show us the eyes. Next time you will do the face or one cheek or whatever. Okay, one feature.
Okay.
You choose Madi, then I will send you a creative. Today Avani is doing like this. Okay, then let us talk about products, which products are good for skins, so on and so forth. We'll do that. Okay, continue.
Yeah.
Continue.
Yeah, we'll do it. So ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ನಾನು ಕಾಜಲ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ with the help of the tip of the kajal. I just brought it down a little bit and I took the brush and ಅದನ್ನ ಬ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದೆ. ಬ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟರ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೀಗೆ ತೆಗ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಚೆಗೆ. You see that just lifts the eyes.
That's what I do. When I don't have ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it just has to follow. And ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉದ್ದ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ it has to not ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಐಬ್ರೋ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. It has to stop where your eyebrows stop.
Exactly. See, that's it.
Yeah. Okay. So to make it look a little more nicer, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಲೆಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಲೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ now I'm going to use the orange color here. Now you might be thinking ಈ orange color ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ orange color ನ I will be using on top of my kajal that I've drawn.
Oh, okay. On top of your kajal.
So again the same brush. I'm not gonna use 100 brushes with the same brush again. You can use Q-tip and you can see how Adam is doing it, an expert doing it with his fingers.
Expert doing it with his fingers.
Here I've loaded my brush. Just tap off the excess. If you do not tap off the excess, you will have fallouts all the way. So all I'm doing is now, again starting it from the outer corner. ನೀವೇನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಔಟರ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಇಂದಾನೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Okay. Basuraj, Shivabasu, hi. Shifana says hello, hi. Okay, even if Avani gets messages, nan read martini Avani for you because you are concentrating.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so Deep Patel says hi guys. Shrishti says wow. Rupa says Lakme also is good. Shrishti says we want more makeup videos. Definitely 100%. So Avani is my official makeup artist from that time.
Yes.
Now, yeah, I'll collaborate with Avani and we'll do this for you guys. So
Yes, definitely we'll do it.
we'll call it Quarantine Beauty. And you
Yes.
can have an apple with me while you have get to be beautiful. The beautifuls.
And it's really nice to see how people want to invest their quarantine time and learn so many different looks because they're sitting at home and they just want to invest time. ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ನನ್ನನ್ನ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, come live, teachers ಅಂತ. It really excites and it is a nice way of implementing and creating something nice.
Shishi also says, can you do makeup with drugstore products next time?
Yes, next time I can do it. I mean, if you ask me about the palette, this palette is not from MAC. This one is from PAC.
Okay. Now
I am using a mixture of different products.
I read a very funny comment which I'm going to read out. I am the student
Okay.
of Avani. She is Kerala Beauty. Wow. She is Kerala Beauty.
I have become an all over beauty now. From Gujarat to Maharashtra to Karnataka to Kerala.
Oh my God, Avani, you are Kerala Beauty. Wait. WhatsApp nalli nodu ನಾನು ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. Okay. Lockdown, what are you doing? Okay, yeah. Somebody's asking.
Okay, ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ
Okay.
ಇನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೂ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಂಬಡಿ ಹೂ ಲೈಕ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಡಾರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಐ ಶ್ಯಾಡೋ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದೇ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಐ ಶ್ಯಾಡೋನ ನಾನು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರನ್ ಇಟ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ನೌ.
What you're running over orange, black?
Yes.
Okay.
Just to kind of mix it together.
Why? Why you want to mix?
I want to keep it more darker.
Oh, like that. Right. Okay. See, ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಬೆರಳು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ if you're not used to using a finger,
you can use ನಿಮಗೆ ಡ್ರಗ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಬ್ರಷಸ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಬೇಡ, ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಫೋರ್ಡಬಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗುಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಒನ್, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬ್ರಷಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. PAC.
Hey, you have
PAC
woman, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬ್ರಷಸ್ ಐತೆ? Can you please Dunzo it?
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬ್ರಷಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋದೇ ಒಂದ್ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಸೈಜ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಕಳ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾನೇನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
You use Q-tips.
Q-tips?
No, actually, see, if you know how to use it, nim berlinalli, if you can use your finger, it's kind of okay. See, it's not all that bad, is it? Very bad.
Yeah. No, it's fine.
See.
Okay, so now can you see the difference there? How it just lifts my eye?
Hey, Shat, you have all those MAC pencil, Ginsil, Dunsil, and all you have. You keep quiet.
Hey, you can use any. I told you can use a L'Oreal eye kajal also. I do not have anything because I told you my makeup products ನಾನು Abu Dhabi ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. Suddenly because Corona, it started with Corona everywhere. I had to run and rush back to Bangalore. ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್.
Can we use eyebrow thread for upper lip? Yeah.
Yes, you can.
But how else? You're not going to use a rope, right? Thread only you have to use. Eyebrow thread. You can't use rope. How do I find the perfect shade of foundation? Vishadi asks. She'll get to it. We're going to cover. Illa, Ivage, if you tell all your secrets now, you won't tune into my channel next time. Adike, today is only eyes ಬಗ್ಗೆ. If you have any questions about eyes, please.
You can stay tuned. We are coming up with more ತುಂಬಾ videos ನಾವು ತಗೋಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ we will be ನಾವು ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕಾಂಟೂರ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಬ್ಲಷ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ನ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. So ಇದೆಲ್ಲ tutorials we'll keep coming up with, so you can wait and stay tuned for it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Adam is looking like a baby when mom's makeup baby copies some. It's looking like that. So nice. Yeah. So I try as much as I can to copy, but I can never be as good as Avani. I want to.
You can be.
No.
I've seen a lot of my own students who have learned makeup from me personally and have opened their own academies today.
Are they better than you?
They've opened academies. It's just that I don't want to get stuck at one place. Academy open ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು then ನಂಗೆ travel ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ I'm not opening. I keep traveling to different places. ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ನನ್ನ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಮೇಕಪ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಕಿಟಿ ಪಾರ್ಟೀಸ್. A lot of women want to learn makeup. ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ at my place also I teach makeup. ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಕರೆಸ್ತಾರೆ. There are a group of ladies who love learning makeup. Bangalore irli, Kerala ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ, Bangalore, Hyderabad. My parents live in Nagpur, so a lot of people call me to Nagpur also to teach. So I keep traveling, and imagine if I open an academy in one city, I cannot leave the academy and move around like this and help people in teaching. So this is just not planned yet. But maybe in future, soon I might have my own academy, hopefully.
Rupa says, I want to learn eyeshadow makeup. Show ma'am. Yes, Rupa, she is showing you. That's what she's going to show you now. Shrishti says, next time make a Q&A session with her, Adam. Shrishti, one kelsa madi, you send me the questions. Guys, if you have any questions, because see, I'm not an expert. I'm as good as y'all in makeup. So, I don't know the correct questions to ask, because whatever questions I have for her, she's already answered. So, nimma hatra questions idre, please you can DM me directly. I will structure your questions and I will have them answered on my next show with her. So that way, we both can have it covered. Sangeeta says, special name, Sangeeta Patil. Sangeeta Patil. Is she related to you? No? No.
Yes, I think that's my cousin.
Oh, hello cousin. Okay. Yeah, you better want
okay, now you
family.
can see what I've pulled it out to just make it look a little different. There.
Wow, I love the eyeshadow. What have you used? Some violet thing, no?
No, it is an orange color that I've used, that I showed you, the black and the orange eyeshadow.
Oh my God.
You can use like in the place of orange, you can use purple, you can use blue, you can use pink, you can use green. Whatever, if you want to just match, you want to have a match with your outfit, you pink pink you can use pink also. I am using orange because you see I have orange on my dress, so I've just done that orange so that yes, I can work out like this. I do not have to black smoky eye and all
No.
of that, because a lot of people see we get messed up while we doing it. We spoil the makeup at the end. We remove everything and you just walk like that. Instead of doing that, start with baby steps. Try one thing. Try doing this first, and in the next session we will take it a little more forward. You can stop it right here. I'm going to today stop it right here. But if I want to take it to the next level, I could just connect the lower part with the top also and completely.
Do you want to do a makeup session like every day or twice a week or once a week, Nimishta? What would you like? Because like
for my viewers. So for my viewers, I kind of get requests on an everyday basis.
Then let's do it every day. I can promote you on my channel everyday makeup with Avani or something like creative. I can do it like every day. So today we are doing eyes. Tomorrow you can show us mixing shades or whatever. You do the syllabus. You can give.
Yeah, we can do it. Yes.
So guys, who all want Avani every day, put your hands up, say yes. I say yes, because in that way I can irritate my manager also. And
I say yes.
Okay, every day. So guys, yeah. Come on, whoever wants. This is putting its hand up. Why you are putting your hand up? You need makeup. Come, I will give you makeup. This, you know what this one does? So he opens his Snapchat and he keeps making poses. So I didn't know ಇದು ಏನ್ pose ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಏನ್ he's putting these dirty disgusting filters, you know, the big jhumka here, and he has a beard. You know how vulgar and horrible he looks. And I'm telling you, he wants to be a drag queen.
He's obsessed.
Yes, he is. He didn't drag queen. Show me this. So this is, look at this. See, this is the filters, Avani. This is whole day instead of.
That looks scary though.
Yes.
That looks a little scary.
Very scary. And on top of it, it is fat. It is fat. It has a baby paunch coming out. So a lot of people, yes guys. Okay, so it's on. Avani is on every day from 2:30 till whatever time. No, we'll 2:30 to 3 o'clock. Avani, you have exactly. Oh my God, we've crossed 40 minutes, Avani. We got to keep it for every day, guys. So we have a makeup session every day. Tomorrow, somebody, Shrishti has asked, can we do makeup with, you know, what do you say?
Drugstore products.
So Shrishti, for you, definitely let's do it. Avani, we can do it that tomorrow. Drugstore.
Yes, we can. Yeah, we can do it.
First, tell us what all we have to get so we can do the tutorial with you.
What do you want me to do with drugstore? Do you want me to create an eye look for you, or do you want me to do the skin and show it to you? Whatever you guys want me to do, I will be doing it.
Both. Can you do both eye and skin?
But it's going to take a really long time if your viewers are okay with.
Stick with the eyes first.
Sorry?
Tomorrow we'll stick with the face.
Yes. Then tomorrow let's just do the face with the drugstore products.
Okay.
So for that you will have foundation, concealer, and a powder.
Okay.
Or maybe I can do, before just doing the skin, I can do a little theory part of it as to how to choose your foundation, how to choose your concealer, how to choose your powder. So that's where you can start with. Otherwise, if you don't know how to choose your foundation, powder, and concealer, how are you gonna bring the products?
Okay.
Yeah?
So, I'm playing with my hair. Party look, that will be helpful. Mies_Nat. Sure, we'll do that. And also, what do you think about boys wearing makeup? Boys, normal boys, straight boys wearing makeup in the.
They do wear. We used to, when I worked with Mac back then, we used to have a lot of guys coming in. They are models. They are these serial actors. A lot of them walk in. It's not like only girls do makeup, even guys do makeup. And the guys doing makeup doesn't mean that they are gay or transgenders or anything like that. Even straight boys do makeup. Where if they have the under eye freckle issues, pigmentation issues, tanning and all of that, they use makeup. Nothing wrong in using makeup, guys.
Yeah. So Mies_Nat also says party look. Okay. Party look, what we'll do is we will keep the party look on Friday. Okay, so Friday afternoon, Avani is going to show us the club quarantine look. But y'all are all going to put your asses nowhere. Y'all are not going nowhere. Y'all are going to be sitting at home. So y'all can just put it on and feel you're going to the club. That's exactly what I do. Okay. So I'm going to share with you all. Thank you so much, Avani, for your time. And Adam, what you saying thank you to me for? Bring new concept in your channel. It's really helpful. Thank you so much. Yes. Avani, so are we stopping today?
Yeah, I just read the comment here. Somebody's asking me, who is your makeup inspiration of me? Okay, I couldn't get the name.
Me. I am her inspiration.
Makeup inspiration?
That's me. I'm your.
Yeah, okay. Adam.
No, seriously. How did you get into makeup? Who?
How I got into makeup, it's a very funny story. So I was pursuing my cosmetology, and I was working with Dr. Batra as a skin therapist. And I used to work in the branch here in Koramangala. And when I used to often go to Garuda Mall and Koramangala to just hang out with my friends and all of that. So
in simple words, you used to go loafing.
I used to go loafing with my friends. And Avaga Nano Garuda Mall opposite the home stop, Max store, Garuda Mall opposite there is a store. So I just parked my bike there, and then I was just looking, and I had zero knowledge of makeup. I just parked my bike, and as soon as I just looked up, I could see a lot happening inside the store. A lot of I did not know that they were makeup artists. I thought, okay, who are these people? Are they celebrities wearing so much of makeup? Their hair done so well, their outfit and all. And that day I wanted to go in, but I was like really scared. Oh my God, do I go in? ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕೋ ಬೇಡವೋ ಜನರು ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನ ನನಗೆ ಮೇಕಪ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ is it going to be too expensive so I had never heard of MAC back then so then ನಾನು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು I just touched the product. An artist came approaching and said, hi, how can I help you? And I just dropped the thing. I'm like, no, thank you. And I just ran out of the store. And then that day something just clicked. I was like, oh my God, how do they do their makeup? They're looking so beautiful and all of that. And it just really inspired so much. I started watching a lot of YouTube tutorials, and then I came across seeing Mickey Contractor. If you know the Mickey Contractor, he is somebody who inspires me being who I am today. I started following his makeup steps. I started watching. He normally does makeup for Rani Mukherjee, Aishwarya Rai, Priyanka Chopra. Kareena Kapoor. He does makeup for all these celebrities, and I really started following him. The way he did makeup, the choice of colors that he picked to do the makeup for the heroines and all of that. And then I kind of just started adopting to his level, his artistry. I cannot be 100% as perfect as he does, but yes. Then once I got a chance meeting him when I was in MAC. We had been taken to Udaipur, and we had Mickey Contractor as a guest makeup artist there, and the makeup that he did, wow! Looking at the makeup that he just did makeup only with his hands. He did not use any blushes, and it was. I kept looking at it. I just kept looking at the model. I just kept looking at the way he did it. And I was like, no, dude, I just want to do this. I do not want to do any cosmetology. I do not want to work anywhere apart from working with MAC. I started working with MAC. I learned a lot. All I have learned is working with MAC, meeting new people every day, experimenting on them. That's how you learn. The more different faces you work on, that's how it started. And then I've still been following my dreams and following Mickey Contractor. Now there's so many more in the list, and I've just been following them, learning a lot. Even though I worked with MAC for 4 years. That was last year when I left. This is my 5th year. If I would have been working with them, I would have completed 5th year this year. But yeah, unfortunately, because I was moving out of country, so I had to quit. And now I'm here back doing a tutorial for you guys.
So my association with the entire MAC family started with Avani, the teacher. So I know Avani's teacher. So I know her for like what, about 10, 12 years now? And from then on, I know Max. And that's how I came to know Avani. And it's been quite a journey. It's been quite a journey.
Yes, it's a long journey, and we at MAC feel like a family, and all our customers come back to us, and it's so nice, And I remember when I worked in the store in Koramangala. They've shut the store now in Shoppers Stop. I was working in Shoppers Stop. I was handling that store. So it was really nice to see when a lot of customers would just walk in to say hi. They wouldn't come to buy anything or the window shopping. No, they have just come there to see what you have done for the day, what look have you created on yourself for the day, and that really kind of boosts us up in doing different looks every day, and that's how we experiment.
So a lot of good things which are coming your way. You are very pretty, Avani. Preeti Patel says,
thank you.
Which is a good brand for foundation? Please suggest. Sanmati Jakanavar. She has to check your skin complexion. So guys, any questions like this personal, you can DM Avani directly. Please follow Avani's handle. Num followers, if you are watching me, as of now it's only 23 who are watching because all of them are doing something else. Don't worry, I will put this video on my YouTube channel. Guys, you can follow me on Adam Pasha. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. All my previous interviews are also there. You can watch it. If you want to watch this again, please go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just my name, Adam Pasha. What's my picture in it? I don't know. I think I changed it. But Madhu Babu says, I learned good tips to make proper kajal. Thanks, Avani. Madhu, you can come every day and watch Avani doing something different. Bernard says you are very inspirational. And Madhu says she's a very good-hearted person. Oh yes, she is. She gave me her makeup before I went into Bigg Boss. She was the one who took and put me in small dabbas. And she had given me, yes, she's very good-hearted. But now that the good heart can't give me any more makeup. Now makeup is getting over. Oh, very soon, Apples with Adam.
It's the same with me. It's the same with me because online also it has been so difficult to shop these days. Online also just everything is running out of stock. Not getting too much of makeup. So yeah, just managing with whatever we have back home, and that's how we're creating new looks.
Tips. We're going to do makeup which we can get at a drugstore, right? Okay, so Avani is going to teach us just the basis for the face, and Agmet Mela, then she's going to do the eyes. But that is on a different day. So any questions, anything, please DM Avani directly. Her handle is Avani. What is your handle? Yeah? Avani what? Avani Patel.
Avni Limbani Gokul. You can search Avni Limbani Gokul. And actually, right now if you want to know my Insta ID, it's Avni Patel 12.ap.
Okay, Avni Patel 12.ap. Guys, please follow her. Avni, thank you so much for coming on to.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me here. It was a wonderful session today. Looking forward to keep doing new things every day now.
Last question. Indu says foundation for dark-skinned complexion. Darling, with any of this, please directly DM her because I am dark, you are dark, many other people are different shades of dark. So you are not.
We are not dark. We are dusky, right?
We're dusky. So
let us not call it as dark. None of us are dark. We are all dusky.
So Avani has to check the shade of your skin, and there's a lot of going on over there to check your correct shade of your foundation, darling. So just don't go buy anything off the rack. So Avani, thank you once again, my love. It's almost
thank you so much.
I love you. See you tomorrow, 2:30. I'll send you the cream.
See you. Yeah. Okay? See you all guys there. Bye. Thanks for having me.
Bye. So guys, that was Avani once again, one of my very, very good friends. And I hope to see her tomorrow again. All of y'all, please do tune in. See, actually, my eye does look good. This one has come out better. Look at what's going on there. I look like Dracula's wife now because I mucked it up. Okay, but anyways, I shall see y'all tomorrow. You're welcome, Sanmati. Any other things for Avani, please directly DM her. And I shall see you guys tomorrow. Okay? Rupa, hi. Hi and bye, Rupa. You joined too late. Okay, chalo, bye people. I'm going to lunch now. See you tomorrow with a new episode of Apples with Adam. Take care. Bye.